Hey YouTube, YouCanePro17 in it here. Today I'm doing a quick video on my knife collection. To start off with, I got this Miltech one. It's a locking blade. As you can see. Second, I got Webtex locking blade. Both of those came from survival kits, but yeah, I just want to put them in for this video. For a video on my knife collection. Also, I have, well, you've probably seen this in one of my other videos, my pen knife. Should that be 3-in-1 pen knife? And the Mountain Warehouse Bull survival kit. That's it, YouTube. But don't worry, there will be another video on my knife collection soon. So YouTube, see you soon. YouCanePro17 in it, out. Hopefully you find this video helpful in starting or building a knife collection for prepping when shares the fan.